Gypsy Wood is located in Bontnewydd, only a few miles from the royal town of Caernarfon. There aren't many places where you can combine the magic of fairies with the charm of animals and the rugged wilderness of 20 acres of beautiful natural woodland. But here at Gypsy Wood Park, that's just what we do, which is why we are one of Wales's best kept secrets. Our G-scale garden railway is a long-established favourite with visitors of all ages. Come and meet all the animals that live here on the park, feed and hold the rabbits and hens, milk the cow, or discover some of the fantastic wildlife that have made Gypsy Wood their home. Make some magical music in our fantastical melodic hideaway, or meet our beautiful fairy queen. All aboard the Gypsy Wood Express. Enjoy a magical ride on Woody's train through parts of the park for almost 3/4 of a kilometre. One ride on Woody's train is included with the ticket price for every visitor. Explore the adventure playground. Master the digger. Drive the carts. Climb the spider web. Fly the aeroplane, or zoom through the air on our mini zip line. Take a stroll down Willow Walk or the Wetland Walk, or simply relax in the park cafe and find a souvenir to take home. Come and visit Gypsy Wood Park, a unique attraction that all the family will love.